friend trying to help the cats. Today we're going to do a tour. It's a 2 hours tour to like some forest, and I heard we're doing like cliff jumping too. What's up, guys? Welcome to Karabali ATV. Let's do it. Let's go. Smile when? Can see your smile.
For worship. So now it's a protected forest. Now to go in, you gotta book it. If you're gonna go tomorrow, make sure you book your ticket because you're gonna drive it. You can go there. So we're gonna go first for the pictures. I got you. We're gonna go first. I'll go first. I'm up here. There you go. Give me a phone. Everybody follow me. Watch your step. Everybody here.
Mandy.
Hi.
Watch your step. Watch your step. Okay, guys, you can get in. This river is called Rio Mameye. River Mameye. That's the town.
Okay, right now we're stopping for a quick dip. That's the river behind me. That's Mandy. Where's Gwen? Right here is swimming.
It's so nice.
Feels good.
Got fish around here too.
Come on, Jimmy.
That was refreshing. Now we're gonna go on and drive, I think, another.
Where's my phone?
Your phone is inside.
Oh, where?
Hola! I think we are stopping here for a quick bite. Let me show you around. Oh, thank you. Yeah.
Take one bite.
That was fun. I think now we're gonna go get some food.
Where's my
Barbecue.
wallet, baby? You have my wallet?
Getting lunch. Oh, can't wait. Wow.
Do you want this?
Okay, so we just finished lunch. Now we're just gonna go for a dip. 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah! Yeah! Go, go. So I can record you. I'll be right behind you, okay? Yeah, go, go, go.
So cute. So Kobe Bryant.
You like? What? Alright, we're here in Old San Juan. There's this cool looking building. It's closed, but it looks so pretty at night.